Here we have the common house cat. Apparently, he or she is a rat catcher. You can observe him eating his rat in the foliage. He's really chowing down. You can hear the bones breaking. You can't see it right now, but he's already eaten half the meat off that rat. Perhaps it's a mouse. Perhaps he's a stray. Maybe a house cat, but in this moment, he's more like a panther. My accent is going really inconsistent, but I figure it should be British. I don't know if this is British, but it's supposed to be a narrator's accent, but it just sounds kind of low class or incoherent. But as we can see, the cat is eating a rat. It's really chowing down on that rat. Yep. If you devoured the entire rat, where's it gone? Where's it gone? Did you eat that entire rat? You ate that entire rat, didn't you? Jesus Christ. That's really something, isn't it? Here we have victorious rat. I mean cat. The cat who ate the rat. Seems quite satisfied now. Eyes are glowing in the dark. Perhaps it's seeking out more prey. It's quite cold out here. The very tough rat catching cat appears unaffected.